Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Commerce Kalyona. In today's class, we will discuss about the profit and loss appropriation account. Here, one problem is given, that is, Peter and Paul are the partner sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their opening capital being 80,000 and 50,000 respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 20,000 before allowing the following: interest on capital 8% per annum, interest on drawing Peter 800, Paul 600, salary to Peter 3,000 per annum, commission to Paul 2,000 per annum. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now first you should remember ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೆದು ದೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದೇ ಅರ್ನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 20,000 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಲವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ by profit and loss account 20,000. Then interest on capital, that is the expenditure. So we are writing debit side to interest on capital. Take Peter's 80,000 capital into 8% per annum, that is 6,400. Then Paul capital is 50,000 into 8%. What is the answer? 4,000. Now total is 10,400. Then interest on drawing, it is always income for the business. So by interest on drawing, credit side, Peter 800, they given here, Paul 600. Total how much it is? 1,400. Then salary to Peter, salary is given to Peter. Clear? So it is the expenditure. So you must write in debit side, because debit side all the expenses. To Peter salary account, that is 6,000, that is 3,000 per annum. Next, commission to Paul. We given commission to Paul, it is expenditure. So to Paul's commission account, that is 2,000 per annum. Now you make total of debit and credit. Now credit is greater than debit. So credit side is 20,000 plus 1,400. Now we are having 21,400. Take as a total amount. Then what is the difference we are getting, that we want to transfer to the partner's capital account. Now income is more, expenditure is less, means we are having profit. So to profit transferred to who are the partners here? Peter and Paul. That is 6,000 into their old ratio is given 2:1. Now here 6,000 into 2 by 3, 6,000 into 1 by 3. Now answer will be 4,000 and 2,000. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್.